Ibotta haul. So I'm trying to hit that top 20 savers. You have to do 70 different rebates in order to get a free $20 back. So that's why I wanted to do 2 Walmart hauls this week. There's a few Ibotta deals I did at my first Walgreens haul. I'm doing a second Walgreens haul as well. So tons and tons of deals this week. If you need to stock up on anything, now is the week to do it. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and hit that notification bell as well, so when I do post new videos of hot deals, you guys will be notified first. So let's dive into the deals. First deal I'm repeating, and the only reason I'm repeating is because it was on clearance. So it was only $1.47. Typically they're $1.98. So these are, if I can try to get this thing off. Oh, perfect. These are the Oikos Pro Fuel. So they taste like drinkable yogurt, but it has a lot of protein in it. It has 25 grams of protein, which is great. So this one was $1.47. It's only the peach flavor that was on clearance. And then Ibotta gave me 75 cents back, so it made it just 75 cents. And I love different like protein shakes and things like that because I'm trying to eat constantly for my meal plan. So that's why I went ahead and purchased it, and I have tried it. I really like it. It's not bad at all. Like I said, it just tastes like drinkable yogurt. So it's really good filler for a snack or in between meals, or if you're waiting for dinner time, something like that. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and pick this one up. The next deal is on the Hormel Natural Choice. I got some turkey. You could get ham. You could get whatever you'd like. They are $3.48. And then you're gonna get back $1.25, which is not bad for lunch meat. So I use these in the mornings. I make little like scrambled egg roll up things with salsa, and it's pretty good and it's low carb. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and pick this up. So not a bad deal there. Philos did reset for me, so I was excited about that. It's free after offer. It's $3. You get back $3, so it winds up being free again. I'm gonna wind up probably donating this. I don't need that much cereal in the house, but I did need the rebate and it was free, so not bad on that. Make sure you're checking your rebate. It could be $3 back on 2, or it could be $3 back on 1. So just make sure you're checking that so you don't kind of get confused. The next deal I did is another repeat. It did reset. It is the Hormel Natural Choice. It's these little roll-ups. So this time I got the pepperoni pizza. There is the turkey cheddar, which I got last time, a couple days ago. They are $1.67. They are $1.67, and I got $1 back on Ibotta. The deals can vary. Maybe you'll get 60 cents back, 70 cents back, or up to $1 back. I got $1 back, so it made it just 67 cents. Another really good snack item. It's 14 grams of protein, so I thought I would give that one a shot. The next deal is on this RX nut butter. I got the honey cinnamon peanut butter. There was another one with like an almond butter. I don't really like almond butter. It kind of freaks me out, so I thought I would give this one a shot. It's just the single packet. They're $1.24, and then Ibotta gave me back 75 cents, so it makes it just 75 cents. So not a bad deal on this. It's just a single serving. They do have a rebate back on the multi-pack if you get the multi-pack, which has 4 of them in it. I think it's $4.98. I'm not quite sure, and you'll get back $1.50. So this one winds up being a better deal. That's why I did this one instead. It's less out of pocket. So my rule of thumb, if it's not something that I typically eat, then I try to get it under $1, because that way when I hit all my bonuses, it'll wind up being free, and then it's no harm, no foul, and I can try a bunch of different recipes and brands and foods and things like that. So that's kind of my rule of thumb on that one. Next deal is on the soft soap. This is the larger version, and it's the like pretty version. I don't know. So it has like the wild basil. It's not the other one that's this size, but it's like not all pretty. So these are $2.98. They call it the decorative variety or something. They're $2.98. I had a 50-cent peely from Publix. You can also go to softsoap.com and print a 50-cent off printable on one. So that would work on this as well. You're gonna pay $2.50 out of pocket. Ibotta is gonna give you back $1 each, so it's gonna be just $1.50. So not bad. These are the larger ones. These are 13 fluid ounces, so not a bad deal there. They have a couple different scents. This one smelled pretty good, pretty fresh, so gave that a shot. The other deal is on Scotties. So this is the small thing of tissues. So these are $1.12, so not bad. And then Ibotta's gonna give you back 50 cents. So that makes this just 62 cents. So not bad, again, under that dollar threshold. That's where I try to keep all of my rebates at. And I have a stuffy nose a little bit, so I need to stock up on tissues. So that's why I got this deal. Is that all? Oh no, the Dulcolax. Okay, so Dulcolax is a moneymaker, so that's why I picked this one up. They are $4.97, and it is for the 30 capsules. This 25 crossed out is 30, so you get a bonus 20% more. So this is $4.97. We got a $3 off of the liquid or a $3 off of these tablets in our 9/8 Smart Source. So you're gonna use that, you're gonna pay $1.97 at checkout. Then you're gonna submit your receipt to checkout 51. If you don't have that, the link below is gonna be right here with my referral code as well. They're also giving you back $3, so it makes it a $1.03 moneymaker. So that's why I went ahead and picked these up. It's a laxative, so if you're ever feeling constipated, it's always good to keep that in the house. And it's a moneymaker, so why not? I think that is it. Yep, so those are all the deals that I did. I wound up hitting my September level 2 bonus, so I got an extra $1 back. There are a few other deals that I'm going to be doing at Walgreens when I go back for my second haul as well, so stay tuned for that. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, just drop a comment, let me know. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.